Hi, hello everybody. This is your Srinivas. Welcome to Srinivasa Academy. Please like, share and my YouTube channel Srinivasa Academy for more and more shortcuts. Okay? సో నేను ప్రామిస్ చేసినట్టుగా ఈ రోజు కూడా మీ ముందుకు ఒక అద్భుతమైన టెక్నిక్ తో రావడం జరిగింది. అదేంటో చూసేద్దామా? ఎస్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. cos square of pi by 4 plus x minus sin square of pi by 4 minus x is equals to how much? First, you do observe the options. Options are completely numerical values. Options are not depending upon x. So that is very, very lucky. So we can take x value, anything whichever you like. We should get answer definitely. Somebody will like x value 0. Yes, you will get answer. Somebody will take x value 30 degrees. Yes, you will get answer. Somebody will take x value 45 degrees. Yes, they will also get right answer. So let's go to solution for first question. Put x is equals to, because of there are so many opportunities, let us substitute easiest value of x. While writing x is equals to 0, question changes to cos square pi by 4 minus sin square pi by 4. We know very well that cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Cos square pi by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. First option is answer. No need to use any concept. No need to use any formula. Yes, we can answer this question within a minute just by taking x value anything. It's not mandatory that x is equals to 0 degrees. Okay? We can take anything instead of x. Let's move on to next question. In the next question, in triangle ABC. So this is our key point. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equals to sin A sin B sin C, cos A cos B cos C, tan A tan B tan C, cot A cot B cot C. This is for 7 marks question in IP examination. But here we can solve it within a minute. In triangle ABC, very clear, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడే దొరికిపోయాడండి మనకి. We can take instead of A, instead of B, instead of C, anything such that sum is 180 degrees. Whichever you like. Whichever you like. A, B, C values, but sum should be 180 degrees. So easiest substitution, put A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 60 degrees. Why to take all angles are equal? While simplification, it will be very easy. All terms gives same value. So that very easy to simplify. Now coming to question. In question, tan 60 degrees plus tan 60 degrees plus tan 60 degrees. Okay. That is root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3. Which is equals to 3 root 3. 3 root 3 ఏదో ఒక ఆప్షన్ లో దాక్కుంది. మనకు 3 root 3 వెళ్ళగానే కనిపించట్లేదు. ఇప్పుడు అడగాలి ఆప్షన్స్ ని. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్, నువ్వేమైనా 3 root 3 అవుతావా? సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, నువ్వేమైనా 3 root 3 అవుతావా? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ లో ఉందా? ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ లో ఉందా? అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే? ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఆప్షన్స్, in order to search for 3 root 3 in options, we have to change options also for our substitution. Because of options are also in terms of ABC, let us substitute angles ABC is equals to 30 degrees in options. First option, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is the advantage by taking equal angles. Okay, root 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 by 8. But we have to get 3 root 3. So that's why answer is not first option. Next, go to second option. Angle A 60 degrees, cos 60 1 by 2. Cos B is also cos 60, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. This is not our answer. Coming to third option, tan 60 root 3, tan 60 root 3, tan 60 root 3, which is 3 root 3. Yes, it is answer. Coming to fourth option, cot 60 1 by root 3, cot 60 1 by root 3, cot 60 1 by root 3, 1 by 3 root 3. This is not our answer. So answer is the third option without using any formula. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. In question number 3 also, in triangle ABC, yes, we got an idea. మనకు అడ్డంగా దొరికిపోయాడండి. tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 is equals to how much? Very clear options are free from ABC. Here also, better to substitute. A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 60 degrees. Now, question changes to tan 60 by 2, tan 30. Tan 30 is, I am writing directly 1 by root 3. This is also 1 by root 3. Tan 30 into tan 30. Next tan 30 into tan 30. Next also tan 30 into tan 30. We get 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equals to 3 by 3 is equals to 1. That can be seen in second option. So without using any concept, any formula, also we can solve this question. Let's move on to next question. See, question number 4. If A plus B plus C is equals to 270 degrees, then cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equals to how much? In the previous problems, capital A, capital B, capital C are the angles of a triangle. Hidden condition A plus B plus C 180 degrees given. Here direct condition A plus B plus C is equals to 270 degrees. Cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C is equals to how much? Very easy. What is the suitable substitution instead of A, B, C so that the sum is 270 degrees? Very easily put A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 90 degrees better. 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 degrees. Now let's move on to question. That question will be cos 2A is 180 degrees, cos 180 degrees plus cos 180 degrees, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus minus 1, which is cos 180 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, see, which is minus 3, means I think fourth option is a minus 3. This is answer. Very simple. Just by substituting ABC values. Let's move on to question number 5. In question number 5, the solution of 81 power sine square x plus 81 power cos square x is equals to 30 in closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. Whichever the solution, here the solution means the value of the x. Whichever the solution, that should belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi by 2 only. Very clear. This is the option containing angle pi which is not there in this interval. So third option, fourth option, ruled out case. And observe that in these two options pi by 3 is common. Means definitely pi by 3 can be a solution. Just it is enough to check with either pi by 2 or pi by 6. If I write pi by 2, sine square pi by 2, 1, 81 power 1, 81 plus something more than 30. That's why this is ruled out. So answer is just first option. So we can identify from options also sometimes. This is called eliminating options procedure. Okay. Or otherwise you check pi by 6, 30 degrees. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2. Sin square 30, 1 by 4. Cos square 30, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos square 30, 3 by 4. So this can be written as 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 cancelled. 3 plus 27 is equals to 30. So pi by 6 is satisfying. We can see pi by 6 in two options, but fourth option is ruled out case because of pi is there. Answer is definitely first option. We can also substitute and check pi by 3 in options. Next, let's move on to question number 6. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z is equals to pi by 2. This plus this is equals to 90 degrees, means each is equals to 30 degrees. Each is equals to 30 degrees happens only when x is equals to sin 30 degrees. Sin inverse x 30 degrees means x is equals to sin 30 degrees. That's why x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to 1 by 2. While writing x is equals to y is equals to z is equals to 1 by 2, in this we get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 2 times 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 time 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So that's why answer is option 2. Dear friends, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss a very important and difficult concept about domain and range. How to find domain and range in easy way we are going to discuss in tomorrow's video. Thank you one and all.